Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Kids, our today's conversation topic is our food. So take out your GK and conversation book and open page number 2323 and mention the date and classwork at the top. So kids, we eat and drink food to get energy to our body. So let's read all 5 healthy foods name. Our first one is wheat dishes. W-H-E-A-T, wheat, D-I-S-H-E-S, dishes. Wheat means गेहूं, गेहूं से बनने वाले व्यंजन और पकवान. So let's read the name. P-U-R-I-S, puris. P-U-R-I-S, puris. Next one is C-H-A-P-A-T-T-I-S, chapatis. C-H-A-P-A-T-T-I-S, chapatis. Next one is B-R-E-A-D, bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S, biscuits. B-I-S-C-U-I-T-S, biscuits. So what dishes do we make from wheat? Let's read again. Puris, chapatis, bread and biscuits. Now move to the next one. Rice dishes. R-I-C-E, rice. Rice means चावल. चावल से बनने वाले व्यंजन और पकवान. So let's read the names what we make from rice. B-O-I-L-E-D, boiled. R-I-C-E, rice, boiled rice. Next one is K-H-I-C-H-A-D-I, khichdi. K-H-I-C-H-A-D-I, khichdi. Next one is I-D-L-I-S, idli. I-D-L-I-S, idlis. Next one, D-O-S-A, dosa. D-O-S-A, dosa. So what dishes do we make from rice? Boiled rice, khichdi, idlis and dosa. Now move to the next food. It's milk products. M-I-L-K, milk. P-R-O-D-U-C-T-S, products. Milk products. So first one is curds. C-U-R-D-S, curds or yogurt. Next one is cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. C-H-E-E-S-E, cheese. Next one is butter. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. Next one is ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M, ice cream. Next one is chocolates. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, chocolates. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, Chocolate. So kids, tell me, what do we make from milk? We make curds, cheese, butter, ice cream and chocolates. Now move to the next one, sweet dishes. S-W-E-E-T, sweet, D-I-S-H-E-S, dishes, sweet dishes. First one is pedas, P-E-D-A-S, pedas, P-E-D-A-S, pedas. Next one, rasgullas, R-A-S-G-U-L-L-A-S, rasgullas, R-A-S-G-U-L-L-A-S, rasgullas. Next one is gulab jamuns, G-U-L-A-B, gulab, J-A-M-U-N-S, jamuns, G-U-L-A-B, J-A-M-U-N-S, gulab jamuns. Next one is ladoos, L-A-D-D-O-O-S, ladoos, L-A-D-D-O-O-S, ladoos. Last one is cake, C-A-K-E, cake, C-A-K-E, cake. So kids, what dishes are called sweet dishes? It's pedas, rasgullas, gulab jamuns, ladoos and cake. Now move to the next one. It's non-vegetarian food. N-O-N, non, V-E-G-E-T-A-R-I-A-N, vegetarian, F-O-O-D, food, non-vegetarian food. First one is E-G-G, egg. First one is egg. Move to the next, M-U-T-T-O-N, mutton, M-U-T-T-O-N, mutton. Third one is F-I-S-H, fish, F-I-S-H, fish. And the last one, chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. So, these are the name of non-vegetarian food. Now, kids, come on the page number 2626. Our next conversation topic is cleanliness. So mention the date and classwork at the top here. Kids, cleanliness is very important in our life. We must keep ourselves and our surrounding area clean. That means there is no dust, no dirt, no stain and no bad smell. So let's read how we can keep ourselves and our surrounding area clean. So read the first one. B-R-U-S-H, brush, O-U-R-R-T-E-E-T-H, teeth, T-W-I-C-E, twice, A-D-A-Y, day. Brush our teeth twice a day. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Okay. Move to the next one. H-A-V-E, have, A-B-A-T-H, bath, E-V-E-R-Y, every, D-A-Y, day. Have a bath every day. We should bath every day to clean our body. Move to the next one. C-O-M-B, comb, O-U-R-R, H-A-I-R, hair, Neatly, neatly. Comb our hair neatly. We should comb our hair neatly to look good. Now move to the next one. C-U-T, cut. A-N-D, and. C-L-E-A-N, clean. O-U-R-R, and A-I-L-S, nails. Cut and clean our nails. We should cut and clean our nails once a week, or must be every day, because we are from our hand, so our nails should be cut and clean. Move to the next one. C-O-V-E-R, cover. O-U-R-R, N-O-S-E, nose. A-N-D, and. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. W-I-T-H, with. A. C-L-E-A-N, clean. H-A-N-D, hand. K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F, handkerchief. W-H-E-N, van. W-E-V-C-O-U-C-G-H, cuff. S-N-E-E-Z-E, sneeze. O-R, or. Y-A-W-N, yawn. Cover our nose. See, in this picture, this boy is covering his nose and mouth with a clean handkerchief when we cough, sneeze or yawn. So, we should always cover our face, nose or mouth with clean handkerchief whenever we cough, sneeze or yawn. Okay, now move to the next. W-A-S-H, wash. O-U-R-R, H-A-N-D-S, hands. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. A-N-D, and. A-F-T-E-R, after. E-A-T-I-N-G, eating. Wash our hands before and after eating. We should always wash our hands before and after eating. T-H-R-O-W, throw. R-U-B-B-I-S-H, rubbish. I-N-D-U-S-T-B-I-N, dustbin. Throw rubbish in a dustbin. We should always throw rubbish in a dustbin to clean our surrounding area clean. Next one is K-E-E-P, keep. O-U-R-R-B-O-O-K-S, books. N-E-A-T, neat. A-N-D, and. T-I-D-Y, tidy. Keep our books neat and tidy. We should always keep our books and notebooks neat and tidy. So, how should we keep ourselves clean? Let's read it again. Brush our teeth twice a day. Have a bath every day. Comb our hair neatly. Cut and clean our nails. Cover our nose and mouth with a clean handkerchief when we cough, sneeze or yawn. Wash our hands before and after eating. Throw rubbish in a dustbin. And the last one is keep our books neat and tidy. So, now kids, move to the Next page, page number 27, and next topic is good habits. So mention the date and classwork at the top. Kids, every person should have to follow good habit. So what are these? So let's read it. W-A-K-E, wake. U-P, up. E-A-R-L-Y, early. I-N, in. T-H-E, the. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. We should wake up early in the morning. हमें मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठना चाहिए, है ना? P-R-A-Y, pray. T-O, G-O-D, God. Pray to God. हमें मॉर्निंग में भगवान से जल्दी उठकर प्रे भी करना चाहिए ना. We should pray to God. W-E-A-R, wear. C-L-E-A-N, clean. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes. Wear clean clothes. We should wear clean clothes. हमें साफ सुथरे और अच्छे कपड़े भी पहनने चाहिए. D-O, do. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise. E-V-E-R-Y, every. D-A-Y, day. Do exercise every day. We should do exercise every day. हमें मॉर्निंग में एक्सरसाइज भी डेली करनी चाहिए. A-L-W-A-Y-S, always. S-T-A-N-D, stand. O-R, or. S-I-T, sit. E-R-E-C-T, erect. Always stand or sit erect. As you can see in this picture, we should always stand or sit like this, not in this position. We should not bend like this. We should always stand or sit straight. Okay? E-A-T, eat. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. F-O-O-D, food. Eat healthy food. We should eat healthy food. हमें healthy food खाना चाहिए ताकि हम भी healthy रह सके. Okay? Move to the next. G-O, go. T-O, to. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. O-N, on. T-I-M-E, time. Go to school on time. We should go to the school on time. हमें टाइम पे स्कूल जाना चाहिए. मैम बोलती है ना आपसे कि टाइम पे स्कूल आओ. Come on the time. Move to the next. D-O, do. O-U-R-R. H-O-M-E-W-O-R-K, homework. E-V-E-R-Y, every. D-A-Y, day. Do our homework every day. So we should always do our complete or do our homework every day or on time. Move to the next good habit. It is G-O, go. T-O, to. B-E-D, bad. E-A-R-L-Y, early. A-T, at. N-I-G-H-T, night. Go to bed early at night. हमें रात में जल्दी सोना चाहिए ताकि हम मॉर्निंग में जल्दी उठ सकें. Okay? So what good habits we should follow? Let's read again. Wake up early in the morning. Pray to God. Wear clean clothes. Do exercise every day. Always stand or sit erect. Eat healthy food. Go to school on time. do our homework every day and go to bed early at night. So kids, read and learn all the conversation topics are food, cleanliness and good habits from your GK and conversation book. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.